Welcome back to GreenTGarden. Today's a beautiful day in Long Island, New York. We're gonna unbox and check out the brand new Vego self-watering rolling tomato planter with a trellis. Every single thing here. You got the bottom base, you have a trellis, so your tomato plant will grow perfect. You could grow tomato anywhere. Balcony, front porch, backyard, front yard. This could roll anywhere. So the length is 15 inch, the width is 15 inch, the height of everything included the trellis is 55 inches, soil capacity 1 cubic feet, and the water capacity is 24 gallon. So growing tomato has never been this easy. Vego Garden always give you guys a full instruction, everything is here, but if you're watching this video, you don't need this, always keep this handy. And we got everything here. So I try to set up in an angle so you guys could see how it is. Right here, I think the box is compostable too, so you can see the green color I got. And what we're gonna do, look how big this thing is in here. So this is everything in the box. We have the whole base at the bottom. We have, these are the trellis. So these are really good quality, heavy duty quality. This is the water gauge, and you got a 4 wheels, really heavy duty quality, as I said. And these are all the canopies to make the trellis. So the first thing we're gonna do is to flip this over. If we flip it over, you could see literally they make it so simple and easy. You just stuck that in there and the wheel, that's it. So all 4 of them goes on. Step is this water gauge right here, which see right here, it goes right in here. This is where we add the water. So the water gauge will come like that nicely. So once we fill it up with the water, this gauge is gonna come up and tell you exactly how far the water is. We got these 2 round ones. These are the longer round curved one, and these are the shorter one. These 4 ones are gonna go on the top. These guys are gonna go on all 4 of the corners. What you're gonna do is you grab one of these guys for the corner, you take that and you put it in it right here. It's simple and easy to just go. You just stuck it in right there. Anyone could do this. You could always get the kids. This is a good project for the kids if you have older kids. And this comes down top and bottom. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna stuck this piece like in here. Goes right in there. And then as you're going, it's easier, I feel like, to put it in here like this. The first row is done, and then we're gonna build our way up just like that. In about 5 minutes, literally, this thing is more beautiful than the picture. I'm not even saying that because I have one. No, it's amazing. I could see my tomato plants are growing. You could probably do 2 tomato plants, which I will end up doing, and planting a basil next to that tomato to get more delicious flavor. But this thing is simple, easy, and the tomato will just, as the plant grow. I'm gonna show you guys updated video on progress and how this is growing. But right now we're gonna fill it up with soil, and if you get compost and soil mixed together, add some up, fill it all the way up, and then we're gonna fill it with water. You could fill it all the way up. This is soil with compost. I try to do this outside so I don't make a lot of mess on the patio. I will eventually, when the weather gets nice, leave this on my either front patio or back patio. So I just finished adding the soil, so you guys can see beautiful. And this part right here, you're gonna remove this part, just pull it to the side, and we're gonna add water. I got myself a hose today because it'll be easier to fill. And as we're filling, just watch the gauge right there as it move up. You guys can see right here, the gauge is full all the way to the top. I left it full. To the other side, it's a little gauge to control the water. So that's pretty cool. So unfortunately, my tomatoes are not ready to transplant yet. They're still small. I have a bunch of tomatoes, but I do have basil coming up over there too. And I brought basil from indoor, which I will be transplanting coming up soon. Within 5 minutes, it was easy to assemble. It's beautiful. The quality is great quality. It's overall good quality. I love that we fill it up with so much extra water, and it has enough room for a lot of soil, so we could afford to do at least 2 tomato plants. For me, I'm gonna do 2 tomato plants coming up because as my plant is growing, I'm gonna be pruning, and I'm gonna show you guys how it's easy to grow on here coming up very soon. So if you're new, don't forget to click that subscribe button followed by the bell icon for more upcoming video on GreenTGarden. It's 100% free. And if you want to get your hand on this system, check the link below in the description box. I will leave an exclusive discount code so this new limited edition Vego Garden tomato planter. This thing is gorgeous. It's more better, as I told you guys, it's more better than I thought it was going to be. So this year I'm going to leave in a greenhouse for now because our weather is not the best for tomato right now. So eventually, within another few weeks, I will put it out either on the front porch or the back patio. Thank you guys so much for watching Green Tea Garden. And if anybody new, welcome to Green Tea Garden. We're in Long Island, New York. We're all about growing a better home garden together. We're growing our own food, natural, organic way, right in our backyard, front yard, indoor.